Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is oranges. We'll be making orange cheesecake mousse and Ecuadorian-style shrimp ceviche.
So we're gonna make some Ecuadorian-style shrimp ceviche. We're gonna go over to the blender here.
Okay.
And we have just some plum tomatoes, Fresno chilies here, and then I have two kinds of oranges. I have like fresh orange juice, fresh squeeze. These are called sour oranges. I have a little bit of lime juice, and then some tomato juice, agave nectar. This is chipotle and adobo, and this is a little bit of ketchup. So we're gonna blend that up. Let that work. Jennifer, I'm gonna have you watch this for a minute.
I'm watching it. I'm on it.
While that's working, Autumn, we're gonna start our orange white chocolate cheesecake.
Oh, wow.
So
That's great.
I have some good old-fashioned Philadelphia cream cheese,
Great.
a little bit of heavy cream, some sugar. I'm gonna add this sour cream in there, and we're gonna paddle this. And just let that paddle. You're gonna keep an eye on it. Make sure
I think I can do it. I'm doing well.
All right, now we're gonna add just a little bit of olive oil to this, and we're gonna blend it again. The olive oil just kind of helps emulsify.
It really smells quite lovely.
And then we're gonna pass it through this kind of
Strainer.
strainer, yeah.
And strain away I shall.
Yeah. I have some cooked shrimp here, so you're gonna take this spoon and kind of just press that down.
That would be awesome.
And that's probably gonna be enough sauce. How we doing on the paddle?
I think that looks good.
All right, you can turn it off.
Okay.
I have some shallots, a little bit of more of that diced Fresno chili, some chopped cilantro, and a little bit of scallion. And I have a few orange segments.
Doctor, tell me about oranges. What nutritional value do they have?
So most famously known for the vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. It is important year-round, but it also has vitamin A, and so that's going to help with things like eyesight as well as healthy skin, in addition to healthy immune system.
Good.
A little bit of fiber you can get as well. About 12% of your daily allotments can come from oranges.
What I did was added that fresh orange marinade to my shrimp ceviche. This could hang out in the fridge for up to an hour. We have our mixture that we paddle together. I'm gonna add some eggs to this as well. And we're gonna paddle
it again.
Paddle it one more time. We would transfer that mixture into a baking pan. This again will go into another baking sheet with a little water, and you'll bake it at 300 degrees for about 30 minutes. Now what we have is this mixture right here. This has been paddled, baked, and cooled. I have some white chocolate in here too that's been bloomed with a little gelatin. We have it going over a double boiler. That's also gonna get added to this mixture to give it our white chocolate flavor. So you whisk this in, and then what you'll end up, after it's cooled, is you'll end up with this thick kind of cream cheese.
Yum.
I just need a spoon.
We're gonna start by plating our shrimp ceviche. Just scoop some of these shrimp right into the bowl, make sure I get enough sauce. Have some scallions, and then in true Ecuadorian style, we garnish our ceviche with a little popcorn. We have our white chocolate cheesecake. So we have a little candied orange zest.
Oh, wow.
And then some chopped pistachios.
So clever.
A few more little oranges. And these are some little shortbread cinnamon cookies.
All right.
Oh, you did it, Autumn. That's good.
How good is
So
that?
good.
Oh, that's fantastic, right?
Light, refreshing.
All right, let's go.
Well, I'm
Fun.
going to finish that, so I don't know
Okay.
what you guys are going to eat.
That is amazing.
Really delicious.